Welcome back to Finance Mentor Pro. This year, get ready because 2024 is set to offer incredible opportunities to boost your bank account and achieve financial independence. Whether you're looking to ditch the 9-to-5 grind or just add some extra zeros to your savings, here's an extensive guide to the top 5 ways you can make serious money in the upcoming year. 1. Freelancing your way to freedom. Freelancing has evolved from a side gig to a full-fledged career path, offering flexibility, autonomy, and the potential for substantial earnings. If you have skills in digital marketing, software development, graphic design, writing, or consulting, platforms like Upwork, Freelancer.com, TopTal, and Fiverr are your gateway to a global clientele. Set your own rates, choose projects that excite you, and work from anywhere in the world. Building a strong portfolio, delivering high-quality work, and nurturing client relationships are essential steps toward establishing a thriving freelance business. The key is to leverage your expertise, market yourself effectively, and continuously upgrade your skills to stay competitive in the rapidly evolving digital marketplace. 2. Riding the cryptocurrency and NFT boom. Cryptocurrencies and non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, continue to reshape the financial landscape, offering unprecedented opportunities for investment and wealth creation. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies have gained mainstream acceptance as alternative assets, attracting both institutional investors and individual traders. Whether you're interested in long-term investments, day trading, or participating in decentralized finance or DeFi protocols, staying informed about market trends and regulatory developments is crucial for navigating this volatile yet promising sector. Meanwhile, the NFT market has exploded with digital art, collectibles, and virtual real estate gaining traction among creators and investors alike. Platforms like OpenSea, Rarible, and Foundation allow artists and content creators to mint and sell unique digital assets, leveraging blockchain technology to verify ownership and authenticity. If you have a knack for digital creativity or a passion for emerging technologies, exploring the NFT space could unlock new avenues for financial growth and creative expression. Launching your e-commerce empire. E-commerce continues to thrive as consumers increasingly prefer the convenience of shopping online. Whether you're selling physical products, digital downloads, or subscription services, platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Amazon FBA provide robust tools to launch and scale your online store. Identify niche markets with high demand, source quality products, and optimize your website for seamless user experience and conversion rates. Effective digital marketing strategies, including social media campaigns, influencer partnerships, and search engine optimization, can drive traffic and sales, positioning your e-commerce venture for long-term success in a competitive marketplace. Dropshipping offers a low-risk entry into e-commerce, allowing entrepreneurs to sell products without holding inventory or managing fulfillment logistics. By partnering with suppliers who ship directly to customers, dropshippers can focus on marketing, customer acquisition, and scaling operations without upfront investment in inventory. Success in e-commerce hinges on understanding consumer behavior, adapting to market trends, and delivering exceptional customer service to build brand loyalty and drive repeat purchases. Teaching and monetizing your expertise. The demand for online education continues to soar, driven by the accessibility of digital learning platforms and the growing emphasis on continuous skill development. If you have specialized knowledge in technology, business, personal development, or creative arts, creating and selling online courses can be a lucrative venture. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, Coursera, and Skillshare provide tools and infrastructure to design, publish, and market educational content to a global audience. To succeed in the competitive online course marketplace, focus on creating engaging, high-quality content that addresses specific learning objectives and delivers tangible value to your students. Leverage multimedia formats, including video lectures, interactive quizzes, and downloadable resources, to enhance learning experiences and cater to diverse learning styles. Engage with your students through discussion forums, live webinars, and personalized feedback to foster a supportive learning community and drive course enrollment and retention. Continuously update your course content to reflect industry trends, technological advancements, and learner feedback, demonstrating your commitment to delivering up-to-date and relevant educational content. building a reputation as a trusted authority in your field and leveraging student testimonials and reviews can enhance credibility and attract new learners to your online courses. By combining your expertise with effective marketing strategies and a commitment to ongoing improvement, you can establish a profitable online teaching business that generates passive income and expands your professional influence. Building your content empire on social media. Social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitch offer content creators unprecedented opportunities to reach global audiences, build personal brands, and monetize their creativity. Whether you're passionate about gaming, beauty, fitness, lifestyle, or niche interests, producing engaging and authentic content can attract followers, sponsorships, and advertising revenue. Content creators can diversify their income streams through affiliate marketing, branded partnerships, merchandise sales, and subscription-based content offerings, leveraging their influence and audience engagement to generate sustainable revenue. To succeed in building a content empire on social media, creators should focus on consistently delivering high-quality content that resonates with their target audience and reflects their unique voice and personality. Utilize analytics tools to monitor performance metrics, track audience engagement, and optimize content strategies to maximize reach and impact. Collaborating with brands, participating in sponsored campaigns, and attending industry events can further enhance visibility, attract lucrative partnerships, and open new opportunities for monetization. Building a loyal and engaged community of followers through authentic interactions, engaging storytelling, and interactive content features can strengthen your brand presence and increase audience loyalty. By staying informed about platform trends, audience preferences, and industry developments, content creators can adapt their strategies, experiment with new content formats, and capitalize on emerging opportunities to sustain growth and profitability on social media platforms. In conclusion, 2024 presents a wealth of opportunities for individuals to achieve financial success and independence through freelancing, cryptocurrency investments, e-commerce ventures, online education, and social media content creation. By leveraging your skills, expertise, and creativity, and staying proactive in identifying and pursuing emerging trends and market opportunities, you can position yourself for growth and capitalize on the dynamic shifts in the global economy. Embrace innovation, stay adaptable, and seize the opportunities that align with your passions and goals to thrive in the evolving landscape of digital entrepreneurship and financial empowerment. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, consider liking and subscribing to Finance Mentor Pro in order to stay up to date on all things financial. Until next time, stay financially fit.